So the Red Cinema phone, we actually got this one a few months ago. I was a little disappointed, but the phone I actually ordered wasn't that. It was the titanium version, which we've got here today. So we're going to be doing an unboxing, taking a look, and hopefully I'll be most pleased. So as you can see, it comes in the exact same box. It looks pretty much the same. And if I'm not mistaken, ooh, you know, that actually does look pretty nice. That does actually look pretty nice. Oh, wow, that feels cold. So there you go, with the wrapper still on, she's still wrapped up. It's a silver version of this. It actually feels heavier. I didn't think this could get any heavier, but apparently they did it. That's crazy. Let's see what's else in the box. So we've got a kind of warranties and things like that. Then we've got a wall charger, which I can't use because I don't live in that country, but that's fine. I can buy an adapter. And a USB-C cable. No headphones. Despite there being a headphone jack, there's still a headphone jack, which is kind of cool. So that's the box. Not much to it, honestly. And then we've got a little camera bit there. So first impressions here of the phone. I actually really like the style. It's pretty much identical to this one. The form factor is exactly the same. Let's turn it on, see if it's got any juice. It does have juice. You have a USB-C port, you have a headphone jack in the top, and also a SD card slot, SIM reader in the top. You've got a couple of hard buttons there for volume, and then a fingerprint reader on the side, which I actually kind of like, because when you're holding it, you just tap the side and it reads your thumb. I know Sony phones have done that as well. So you guys actually can't see the 3D effect at all. To you guys, it looks like pretty normal. To me, I just compare it to the 3DS and like the kind of, it's not 3D coming out at you, it's 3D depth. It's like deep, it goes into the phone rather than come out of the screen. Like it does look 3D. I'm not gonna lie and sit here and say it doesn't look 3D, but it has a really weird, if you're not looking at it at the right angle, it looks blurry. So I'm looking at the boxes here, and the one noticeable difference that I can read on the box is that the titanium version has 256 gigs of storage, and the black standard edition has 128 gigs of storage. Now you guys tell me if you can tell a difference on the screens. It probably doesn't come across because screens and video cameras don't really do very well, but there seems to be a difference in the screen. It's really, really weird, and I can't get the cameras to show you. Like, this screen seems more red. It actually doesn't look as bright. It looks worse than this one, and this screen was already pretty terrible. Let me take a picture here. And two, this camera definitely looks better. I don't know whether that's because the camera is better or the photo I took was just better. But it's more of the same. It's a bulky, heavy phone, which I'm just disappointed in, honestly. Okay, guys, here it is. Okay, after all the issues I had, this phone right here is this phone, which is a bad phone with more storage and a lighter color. Cool. Cool. I'm so glad I spent so much money getting this phone into the country. And I'm so happy that Red have still not emailed me back about getting my money back for the delivery import charges. And I'm annoyed that I bought this phone over a year ago and I've only just got it, and I'm only disappointed in it. Stick to your cinema stuff, Red. Okay? It's not great.